macOS Tahoe 26.3 is out, but should you upgrade now or wait? macOS Tahoe 26.3 update focuses on bug fixes, performance improvements, and overall system stability. There are no new features in this update. If you have been experiencing random glitches, app issues, or minor performance problems, the 26.3 update makes your Mac feel smoother and more reliable. In this video, I will update my MacBook Pro M4 from macOS 26.2 to 26.3 and share whether I encounter any issues, how long the update takes, and whether it is the right time to upgrade or wait. Before updating or upgrading, back up your Mac or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid potential data loss. To update, click System Settings in the dock, then select General, followed by Software Update. macOS Tahoe 26.3 was released on February 11, 2026. It is about 11.87 GB on my MacBook Pro M4. I will install it over version 26.2. The update size may vary depending on your current macOS version. When you are ready to proceed, click Update Now. Click Agree. Enter your admin password and press OK to complete the installation. The installation is in progress and will take some time. I'll pause the recording to save you time and resume once it's finished. I'll also inform you if any issues come up during the update process. After completing the update, your Mac restarts and you should click Continue. You might then need to sign in to your Apple account. However, when I entered my Apple account password and clicked Continue, I encountered a problem. I was unable to sign in. If this happens, go back to the previous screen and select Setup Later. Next, the Find My screen will appear. Click Continue. When you see Analytics, click Continue again. And hopefully the welcome screen will appear. Finally, click Get Started. The macOS Tahoe update installation is now complete. It took about 30 minutes on the MacBook Pro M4, but the time may vary depending on your Mac and internet connection. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times during the installation, including 3 black screens. Should you upgrade or skip macOS Tahoe 26.3? I've been using macOS Tahoe daily since the 26.2 update. Although it was somewhat glitchy with QuickTime, I haven't encountered any major issues and continue to rely on macOS Tahoe as my main operating system. If you want to upgrade and take advantage of macOS Tahoe's new features, and you wouldn't mind facing occasional minor issues, then upgrading is acceptable. If you decide to upgrade, watch this video for an easy way to start fresh with macOS Tahoe. Then install the free Lulu firewall to protect your data. Access the links in the description box below this video by clicking on More. If you're looking for free Mac apps to boost security and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.